The main organ of the party, the National Executive Council, decided on the change of name. It has taken a while, but we now understand the processes. They had to do gazettement, they had to do, other people may have had objections and all of that. And since there are none, we are happy to announce that our new name is Wiper Patriotic Front. And you'll be hearing a lot from us in this regard. We will soon be announcing the next steps, including calling for a National Delegates Congress in the near future. We'll be making those announcements, and we're going to expand this movement to make it countrywide. The party will field the candidates everywhere in the Republic. The 1,000, nearly 1,500 MCA posts, so many of those senatorial, gubernatorial, members of parliament in the 290 constituencies. This is the party of the future, the party of the youth. This is why we even have front, taking into account the spirit, the patriotic spirit of the Gen Zs. And so we are open to receive new members. We continue to strengthen, expand the space, make it a truly national patriotic movement. As it is, of course, it's a front.
Why the change?
The change, I just mentioned, we realize that you can be democratic forever and the country goes to the dogs. What happened in 2024, and I want to say in 2023, when some of us were in the streets eating tear gas, we knew the spirit in the country was changing. Kenyans were becoming impatient with the use of the word democracy, when in fact you don't do anything to safeguard your democratic values. And so when the Gen Zs took the streets in 2024, opposing oppressive taxation, we also realized as a movement we have to be responsive to the new spirit, the Gen Z spirit. We are not saying that Gen Zs belong to this party, for sure not. Every Kenyan has a right to belong to any political formation. But political parties cannot be static. We are certainly not a static movement. And therefore, we've decided to take on a more aggressive approach to safeguarding our nationhood, even to safeguarding the democracy as it is. But you need the new oomph and the strength and the push. So that is, I hope I've answered your question, madam. Kwa hivyo tashukuru sana.